Have you thought about the great advances we've had in warfare? Have you thought about how we know when the enemies are coming? Radar, things like that. Things where we can see what's coming and be proactive about it. Little things like monitoring, army listening in, looking for anything that could be suspicious. Did you know your IT equipment should be treated the same? You should be proactive. You should have monitoring. You should be trying to use a radar as such to see when things on the horizon could hurt your equipment. We offer that kind of monitoring here at BTP. We can poll your servers and make sure they're running. We can check disk space, we can check backups and antivirus and power and temperature and you name it. We can actually watch it and make sure nothing's going to happen. Just like in advances in warfare, where people were able to get the edge because they figured out that they could monitor for such things, we can monitor to make sure your systems are healthy, make sure you're not being attacked, make sure staff are doing the right thing, and make sure everything runs smoothly. We can try as much as we can to use a crystal ball to guess what's going to happen, but in reality, monitoring gives us that edge, gives us that proactiveness you need, and make sure that you know there's a problem before the system starts to break down and hurt you. So if you need to talk to us about monitoring, give us a call at BTP or email us at helpdesk@btponline.com.au and we'll get right on it and start monitoring you straight away.